Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about Diary Pro application. I would like to show you how to download this app, how to use it, and I wanna just review this application. First of all, we need to install this app. You can easily do it in Play Store, and probably it's also available in App Store. And now let's click on the search box at the very top and type here Diary Pro. This is the name of the app. And here it is, Diary Pro, Diary with Log. So you can easily install it on this page. And by the way, you already can see how this app looks like. And it's very cute and simple. There are really a lot of good reviews. So I think it's really a good application. And now let's run it. Just click on the open button. And firstly, you need to agree their privacy policy. Just click on the agree button. The app is really simple. At the very bottom you can find 3 tabs. So the first one is statics and analysis. The second one is Mine tab. So here you can find theme, diary log, weather style, mood style, and so on. And the last one is the plus button by clicking on it. And the last stuff is the plus button. By clicking on it, you can start your diary, create a new diary. So how's the weather today? For example, rainy. And you can also change your mood. For example, if you're sad, just select this emoji, or happy and click on OK. Okay, and now we can name our diary and describe it, of course. Just type here something. Also at the very bottom you can add images, videos, and your voice messages. It's really cool feature, to be honest. Here you can just record it, allow, and start recording something. And after that you'll be able to listen your own voice messages. Also here you can add lists and so on. You can click on the save button at the top right, and now on your homepage you'll be able to see your diaries. So as I said, the app is really simple, but it's cool and I advise you to use it. Hope my video about Diary Pro was helpful for you. Please subscribe to me and leave a like under this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.